Okay, excuse my mess, but I'm just going to show somebody. So here's the siren when you get it, and you're not going to use the 9-volt thing. You're going to get rid of that. So, it says, well, we'll just cut it off. Boom. 9-volt thing gone. All right. This is your tap switch, 2 red wires. That's where the turnigy comes in. This one's been open already. So your turnigy has 2 red wires. So you will remove your tap switch. Don't need that. The turnigy, doesn't matter which one goes where, red to red. So I usually solder and heat shrink. So then the turnigy will go into whichever one you want on channel 3 or 4. So that is going to do your, it's clicking through your siren. Now your power wires, okay, if you want it hooked up like mine, so when you kill your lights, your siren goes off too, because you never see a cop car with just a siren. It's always lights and siren, or lights only. So what you do there with the red and the black, you have your on-off receiver controlled on-off switch. If I can get this thing open. Yeah. There. The blow on. So that would go in 3rd or 4th channel, whichever one. So your turnigy is hooked into one of them, and the receiver on-off switch hooked into the other one. And then you are going to hook your lights from the cop car will go here, but you'll also want these 2 wires here hooked on. So you could actually solder the black and the red. I don't know if this thing says, oh, okay. Yeah, so how you figure this out, positive and negative. Basically, right now the top one is black, middle one's red, bottom one is white. So what I do, I figured that the top one is black, and that means over here that the top one is black. So then this bottom one here would be the red, and there is no white one. So that is where you would hook your black and your red up here. Black on top, red on the bottom. You could solder these on, and then you could leave leave enough of the post to where you could still hook. Again, you would go black on top, red on the bottom, and that would be where you would plug your lights in. And so you can hook these in wherever you want. You could hook them in over here on this side, tap into these wires anywhere. As long as it's on this side, on these and not on this side.